These 4 foods can literally turn back your skin's biological clock. And the best part? You probably have one of them in your kitchen right now. We age because of inflammation, collagen loss, and sun damage. But scientists now confirm some foods don't just slow aging, they reverse it. Number 1 is avocados. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and lutein, a compound proven to protect your skin from UV damage and aging. Number 2 is blueberries. Don't let the size fool you. Blueberries are antioxidant bombs. Their anthocyanins neutralize free radicals, the number 1 cause of wrinkles. Number 3 is walnuts. Walnuts deliver omega-3s, critical for keeping your skin barrier strong and moisturized. Bonus, they balance hormones too. Number 4 is sweet potatoes. Loaded with beta-carotene, sweet potatoes act like edible retinol. They help regenerate skin cells, minus the side effects.
You don't need expensive creams. You need the right nutrients. These foods don't hide aging, they fight it. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to NeuroLab SA for more science-backed brain and body upgrades. Your skin will thank you.